Hello traders, the title of the video is the power of market patterns in the FX markets. Alright, so yesterday we recorded a video that we call dynamic FX day and swing trade tactics. In that tutorial I was highlighting the importance of key levels and trend lines. Today we want to talk about the power of market patterns in the FX market. So if you are trading Forex, okay, remember to draw your key levels, your trend line, and also your channels. All right. So the financial instrument that we are analyzing today is the Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. And I'm on the monthly chart. All right. So you can see, so sometimes, why do we need to care about the power of the market pattern? So sometimes when I start trading first as a day trader, you may go, for instance, on a lower time frame, doing your own thing, buy and sell on a lower time frame, scalping in the Forex market. But if you do not know the current market pattern, you will be wasting a lot of money. If you look at this Canadian dollar Swiss franc, it has been consolidating on a monthly chart. So somebody who is scalping or day trading, who is not aware of the current market pattern, may give away a lot of money. So 1 minute the price goes up, another minute is down, all right? So you'll be wondering what's going on. But as I was also telling today before, that the market pattern will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. So if you have, for instance, a trading system or a trading strategy that you are using, and you don't align it with the market pattern, you can make a lot of mistakes, all right? And also, sometimes traders will come into the market, they're expecting the price to move up, or, okay, to go up very high or to go down very low, but the price will not move because the volatility is low. And by looking at the market pattern, you can have a bit of idea what sort of volatility we have at the moment and what kind of expectation one can have if one is day trading and swing trading. But you will be surprised that a lot of traders very often will go, open their chart, go to the 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, and they start trading, but they don't know what's going on, what to expect, all right? What's the structure of the current market pattern, and what to expect, and what is the appropriate strategy they should, okay, deploy, okay, if they want to trade a financial instrument. Now, the market pattern also can help us, FX traders, Forex traders, to use more efficiently the technical indicators. So, what kind of technical indicator can you use if the price is consolidating, all right? What kind of trading setup can you look for if the price is consolidating? So the strategy is very simple. One looks for opportunity to sell at the top and look for opportunity to buy at the low. But if one is selling at the top, as the price coming near the median line, one should be prepared to take some profit. The price can change direction. If it falls, okay, and reaches the lower part, the median line, it can change direction near the median line and go back up. So this is the strategy one should deploy. So with that information, one can quickly improve trading strategies. So you may say to me, George, I already know this. All right, good. So there's one thing here also, you can see that the price is forming a low. You can see here there was this low here, almost equal low here, a lower low here. Right? It comes to the lower point of this. So if one is trading the Canadian dollar Swiss franc currency pair, all I would say to trader at this point to this time is that if one wants to be truly bullish, one should wait until the price breaks above the level of 0.7959. So break above 0.7959 and find a support. If it finds support or exhibits a higher low above that 7959, one can become bullish using a top-down trading method. That's all. 7959 if you trade a Canadian dollar Swiss franc currency pair. Okay, very, very important. Okay, because why? Because this is the low before the last low, and the low before the last low is a psychological price level. So after this low here, the price is not displaying a new lower low. Which you can see after this low here, we don't have any more lower low. So there is a consolidation or a balanced market here, which means kind of, in theory, it's like the bullish force is almost equal to the bearish force in theory. All right. So therefore, if the price goes back above this low, which is a psychological price level, or price from a bullish chart pattern above 7959, we can become truly bullish. But as the structure is now at the moment talking about the consolidation or the accumulation that is taking place here, one should deploy the consolidation trading strategy. Buy, sell at the top, buy at the low. The price rising from the low and reaches the median line, one should be prepared to take a profit. Right? So you see here, bounce up. Okay, people took profit here. Now it's retesting here. People try to buy it now. Now it's sitting here. All right. The question is, will they manage to go back up? All right. That's the question. So you want to buy, right? Either you buy above 7959 or near the low. One can also try to buy near the median line, but it can be sometimes quite tricky to buy near the median line because the bearish trader will try to push it below the median line, while the bullish trader will try to push it up. So that's why it's quite challenging sometimes to trade near the median line of a consolidation. Another key level that I want to highlight to forex traders is this level here, 090. Let's call it 9052. 9052. That level is the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of this price action here. The 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of the price action here. So those are the two key levels that one should not forget. Okay, if one is trading the Canadian dollar, Swiss franc 7959, that's the critical level. If you find a support or exhibit a higher low or a bullish chart pattern in that vicinity, we can implement a top-down trading method to buy it. Okay. Now, if the price start going up from the 7959, we need to be aware of the resistance here at 9052. It's a resistance. So don't forget that resistance at 9052. One should also be aware of the median line between the two lines, okay, between the 7959 and 9052, somewhere near the 8475. So you can see that talking about the medium term, the current market pattern is a consolidation that will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. Whether one is day trading, swing trading, and position trading, the market pattern is the key. And the power of the market pattern is tremendous. And a lot of traders are using all sorts of trading system and are doing all sorts of things in the market. And sometimes they get into trouble just because they are not aware of the market pattern. Okay? But talking about the medium-term market pattern is a consolidation, but the long-term trend, the long-term market pattern is a declining channel. All right? All right, so I'm just going to choose one point here and draw a line that is parallel to the first one. So I draw this point and this point here. I draw the first line, and then I choose this point here, this one here, where my cursor is, and I draw another line that is parallel. So you can see that the long-term trend, the long-term market pattern is bearish. People were selling. All right, now the price not display a new lower low because if you see, the market pattern is changing, all right? So you have to know when the market pattern is changing. I was explaining to Area Web Trader last time about, I don't know the title of that video, all right? Is a market cycle, all right, is formed of a market pattern, and those market pattern will also determine the price structure. This is a video that I posted that yes, that's it. The title of that video is how to combine Elliott wave structures with market patterns. all right, at 2-4 Elliott waves YouTube channels. So market cycle will determine market pattern. Market pattern will determine price structure. But as you can see, if you trade reversal, you see here we have a declining channel that was in place. Now a new market pattern is developing. So long-term market pattern bearish, medium-term market pattern is now a consolidation, alerting that there is a change likely to take place. Either we may have a continuation if the price breaks below the horizontal channel, or a reversal if the price breaks above the 7959. This is the power of the market pattern. And you will see it on any time frame. You see this price structure here, this move here on a monthly chart. We can go now, if you go now to, this is on a monthly chart. On a daily chart, you will see that it will be a rising channel. And at the top of, so you see a rising channel. And before this one will turn around, sometimes you may have a consolidation. So what usually take place, you'll see it sometimes that the price going up, okay? People are buying. Okay, it's bullish. And then suddenly you see what we call a distribution that is taking place at the top. At the time when people think that the price will continue to go up, smart money starts selling and you have a kind of a distribution. But when you see that this rising channel, horizontal channel, do not assume that it's going to go down. Assume that if it breaks above it, it will go up. If it goes below it, it will go down. Don't think that it will definitely go down. But in most cases, you see that that price goes up, okay? And then after one point, people start selling. If there is a distribution taking place, all right? So this is the law of supply and demand. People, there are more demand during the rising channel, all right? Now there is a supply coming in. People starting to divest, all right? Quietly, the smart money starts selling gently without people knowing. All right, that's why, and they will sell it when the volatility is low. They'll see it gently. When other people think that it's still going to go up, they are selling. That's what we call distribution. So both brokers are busy selling the stock quietly, and no one knows. And at one point, suddenly, you see it start coming down. The same thing happens sometimes when we have a declining channel like we have here, and then they will start buying quietly, gently. They start buying over a time, and then suddenly we have a change of market pattern. So declining channel, medium term or horizontal channel, and then a new channel will begin. This is about the power of market pattern. And we can apply this on any time frame, but the best approach is to use a multiple time frame trading method. You see the market pattern on the monthly chart, and then you connect it with the daily chart market pattern, and then you break it down to the hourly time frame market pattern. You can do the same thing, for instance, on the 4-hour time frame, and then connect the 4-hour time frame to the 50-minute time frame, and then the 50-minute time frame to the 5-minute time frame, and so on. All right? So I'm banging on it, all right? So you say, Joe, you said it before. I'm banging on it so that, okay, you stick to it, because that will determine the appropriate strategy. So you know now what is happening with this Canadian yen. So you start thinking like the hedge funds and the big financial institution, all right? If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section. And of course, I will be busy recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSTW24 traders, talking about the power of market patterns in the FS market. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon, okay?